vlog time. Let's get this thing started. Aaron, go ahead and hit that music. So we're driving a turbo.
Bad boys, bad boys.
What's going on, guys? Another day, another vlog. I'm about to head to the gym, go swim 1,500 meters. And what do we got going on this weekend? Tomorrow, gonna do a boat day with some friends. Haven't seen them in a while, so gonna go out on the boat, go to the sandbar, have a fun day doing that. And then Aaron and I are gonna try to record a review on the 964, my 964. If you guys haven't seen it, the 964 Turbo video is out right now. Good God, it's bright out here. But yeah, and then we're gonna try to podcast. Sorry for the noise, it's the monster truck. But we're gonna podcast on Sunday just to get some recording stuff done, and probably ought to put my seatbelt on. These brick roads where I live, it's cool because it's a historic district, but they're so bumpy. Like, it's murder in the 964. It's okay in the truck, the suspension's all right in this, like, it's lifted, it's got aftermarket stuff, but so yeah, going back to what we're doing, we're gonna podcast, probably gonna try to do a little bit more Instagram live stuff just to kind of keep you guys up to loop, and then I've got to kind of get ready to go to England because I'm gonna be going to England on Sunday. When you see this, it'll be Monday, so that coming Sunday I'll be flying out to England. We're gonna go see some friends, and then I'm gonna do Goodwood while I'm out there. One of our Tampa buddies is going out there too with his wife, so that'd be kind of, fun. I was tripping over my tongue today. But yeah, that should be good. I think we're gonna be there 7-8 days, so we're gonna meet with Rob from the 964 page while I'm there. See him again. We saw him in DRT. I think he's gonna be going to the Checked It Out show in Chicago. We're going to be going to that too, so you guys need to go to that. Go to their Instagram page. It's already building. They're expecting 200 cars. That's on 9/14 in September in Chicago area. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be downtown. Cooled Collective. He switched his name. I almost called him Drew 911 or 911 Cooled, excuse me. But he'll be there as well. And a handful of other folks, so that should be a really fun show. And again, that's in September. We'll be doing that. We've got a super busy October. Yeah, I didn't mean to spin off into that tangent to give you guys a whole schedule, but like, the purpose of the England trip, it kind of spun into that. I think Rob is going to come to the 9/14 trip in Chicago, so that should be fun, to see him as well. And then I'm going to see Sean from the Ren 11 page. We're good buddies while I'm in England as well, so it'll be a great trip. We're going to see a couple other Porsche people, try to do like a Porsche meet, hang out England style, so that should be fun. But yeah, kind of got a busy weekend. Like, Aaron and I are going to film a review. We're going to do basically the podcast, to kind of get ahead of schedule since I'm going to be out of town. And then additionally, and the whole reason behind that, is obviously just to stay a little bit ahead of schedule. But if you guys haven't checked it out already, we just launched this past week our virtual membership, and there's 3 tiers to that. There's a $5, $10, and $15 tier. Please go on there, help support the show. We're not running any ad roll, so that's our way of kind of figuring out how to cover an offset expense for these trips that we bring content to you guys on. it's a big ask for us to do that, because we were trying to do it, I guess, at a level where, you know, the monetization was going to be low. But let's be realistic about this all the way around, right? You know, travel costs money. There's food that involved in that, the travel expense itself, the renting of cars, things like that, and that's all coming out of Aaron and I's dime. We love doing it. We're going to continue doing it, but we would just appreciate it if you like what we're doing. We just ask that you help support us and help stand the channel up, because it'll just make it stronger. It'll just help us be able to go to more events. If it gets stood up strong enough, we could do almost any event, and it'll continue to bring you guys content at a very, very nominal fee. I mean, hell, you could go to the gym for, less than that. My gym membership's $40 a month at the Y, but that's neither here nor there. But I'm just trying to put it in a price perspective for everyone. Aaron and I debated how would we go about doing this and not making you guys feel uncomfortable, making us feel uncomfortable. But this is the best way we decided to come up with it. And what that essentially is, to give a little bit more detail, if you're not going to go check it out, is starting on the last Tuesday of the month, in the evening, we're going to do about an hour and a half live feed. And it's only going to be a special link to everybody who is a virtual member. So what we're going to end up doing, and it's going to be a Q&A. We'll have some topics to talk about as well. And at the end of the show, we'll have a giveaway for everybody that's a member. Not each person's going to get one, but we'll have one item to give away to everybody that, and you don't have to be present. You just have to be a virtual member. And then the nice thing about this stuff too is that after it airs, if you couldn't make it for whatever location you are in the world, you can go back to the episodes and still watch it. Now, here's the kicker on this stuff. I know a lot of people go and release that episode on a different platform afterwards, or, after it's not live, they re-release it. That's never going to happen. That is going to always live just for the membership. So if you're ever interested in that kind of stuff, you need to get on there and get in, your stuff on the virtual membership. Also, that, with the tiers, you're getting stuff too, not just the giveaway. You're going to get an item or items plural with the membership, depending on which one you pick. It's broken down on there, so go to pcartalk.com to see exactly what I'm talking about. Again, I don't want to bore you with the ins and out details. I would assume most of you can read. If not, we'll hook you up. I think there's a lot of YouTube videos that we can get you your ABCs going, but you get the point. But seriously, I know I hate to keep banging the drum, but the squeaky wheel gets the oil. So we want to try to at least put it in as many people's plates as we can to give them that option and that offer, so you can see what's out there. And again, we want to stand up the Porsche community, and this is just step one of us actually being able to do that. So we're pretty excited to do that and produce an area where the super enthusiasts can get together. In this also special chat area that Aaron's created in Facebook, where you have to be invited to do it, as a virtual member. We'll also talk about maybe pop-up meets and things like that when we're somewhere, and we'll do a pop-up drive and things like that. So that'll be kind of cool. Again, we'd like to be all-inclusive, but at the same time, we need to find a way to help support some of the offset costs. And I think that's one way that we can offer a little bit more exclusivity at a very, very nominal price. Please help on that end. So that'll be kind of fun, and we're excited with where that's going to go. And like I said, that's step one of many. Again, we're trying to do this at a global level, trying to get everybody all around the world to, break down the barriers of, I'm just a 356 guy, I'm just an air-cooled guy. I think this is the first step in doing that. Obviously the podcast stuff will continue to be free. The vlogs, all the YouTube content, that'll continue to be free. Have some big stuff coming up. I don't want to name drop on it, but we are going to be working with a couple dealerships, Porsche dealerships in the area that we've reached out to and partnered with. So there'll be coming some reviews on that stuff. When we start doing those reviews, we'll on YouTube, you'll definitely know what dealerships we're at, because obviously we're going to plug them because they're letting us use their vehicles and things like that. But great things on the way. A lot of exciting things happening. Membership is open. show your love for your boys. We're out here trying to bring you as much as we can for you guys worldwide, just in the US, but anywhere, if you're landlocked and you're a Porsche guy, and trying to give you guys everything we can. So we'd appreciate it, whatever you can do to give back to us. We would really appreciate that. But that'd be awesome. So what's going on, guys? Another day, Saturday. We're gonna head out. No P-car stuff today. We're gonna head out on the boat. Gonna do probably the sandbar. Gonna head out with some friends, taking that thing out. So it should be a good day. Every once in a while, I guess you gotta concede to the family and friends that aren't the P-cars, like the enthusiasts like the rest of us. But should be a good day on the water. It's gonna be stupid hot. Looking forward to that, but should be a good one.